Scrum Master and Project Manager are pivotal roles in project management, each associated with distinct methodologies and responsibilities. The Scrum Master is integral to the Agile Scrum framework, emphasizing collaboration and iterative development. They facilitate the team, ensuring adherence to Scrum principles and removing impediments. Adopting a servant leadership style, the Scrum Master empowers the team to self-organize. On the other hand, the Project Manager operates within various methodologies, including traditional or agile approaches. Project managers oversee the entire project lifecycle, focusing on planning, risk management, budgeting, and stakeholder communication. Their leadership style may be more directive, involving critical decision-making and resource management. In terms of change management, Scrum Masters embrace change within the iterative Scrum process, while project managers in traditional settings may find accommodating changes challenging. Decision-making authority differs, with the Scrum Master facilitating collaborative decisions within the team, and project managers often possessing unilateral decision-making authority. Key metrics also diverge, with Scrum Masters focusing on sprint progress and collaboration metrics, while project managers track overall project success indicators. Customer interaction varies, with Scrum Masters encouraging regular feedback and collaboration, aligning with Agile principles, while project managers may have more limited customer involvement, particularly in traditional project management. In essence, the Scrum Master excels in guiding Agile collaborative teams within the Scrum framework, while the Project Manager oversees the comprehensive project lifecycle, ensuring effective planning, execution, and delivery.